In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a lollipop chart in Power BI using native visuals very quickly. This is sales by product lollipop chart, and you can see the tooltip for the total sales of the product. Let's quickly start with. So for this scenario, I'm going to use the sample data set that is already present in Power BI. So click on it and load sample data. Here we can choose this financials table and click on load. So it has loaded the financials data in the model, and we have this financials data. Let's create a line chart, and here we can show this product in the x-axis and sales in the y-axis. So see, we can create a measure as well. So right click and click on new measure. Let's say total sales, and this will be sum of the sales column present in the financials table. So this will be in the y-axis, and we have this line chart that is showing the total sales by product. We can format this chart as well. So I will double click, and so basically I will click on this line and change the color of this line to some green color. And then let's go to the size and style, and here let's add some padding, 20, 20 and 20. In the visual border we can enable, and we can add some lighter gray color like this, and enable the rounded corner to maybe 20, and enable the shadow, and here we can add some gray color like this, 30% darker. And the title is fine. Maybe we can say sales by product, and change the font to Studio UI Bold. We can increase the size of these x-axis. So maybe we can disable the title and make it 11. Here also we can disable the title, and for values we can make it 11. This is fine. Let's go to this grid, and we can disable this. Next, what we can do is we want a lollipop chart instead of this line chart. So for that, what we can do is we can go to the error bars, and in the error bars apply settings to this total sales, which is and then by field in this upper bound and lower bound we are going to add some measure. So in this upper bound we are going to add this total sales measure itself. So let's add this here, and in the lower bound we will create a measure, a dummy measure for 0. So let's call it as 0, and this 0 we can add in the lower bound. Now if I enable this, you can see the error bars like this. So what this lower bound and upper bound means is, lower bound means it starts from here, and upper bound it ends in the upper bound till there. That is our total sales value. Now we can go to this bar, and we can match series color to on, and we can increase the width to maybe 4 or 5. We don't need this marker, so turn off this marker, and let's go to the line. In the line we can make this color transparent because we don't need this line. And next we can go to this marker and show for all categories. We have this dot, we can increase the dot to 10 or 11. So this is our lollipop chart. If I hover and see the tooltip, you can see it shows upper, lower and total sales. But we don't want upper and lower. For that, what we can do is we can go to the error bar section. So this is our error bar section, and here we can turn off this tooltip. Now if you see, it's showing the total sales for this products. So this is how we can create a lollipop chart in Power BI very quickly. If you need my help and want to connect one-on-one with me, you can book a call on Topmate. And if you want to buy Power BI reports along with dataset and BRD document, you can check out the products I have here. I have provided the links in the description. See you there. These are the books that I highly recommend buying that can take your Power BI skills to the next level. These 3 books can cover almost all the aspects of Power BI, from DAX to Power Query to the overall Power BI dashboarding. You can find the link of these books in the description. Check them out if you want to level up faster. So if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.